Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Media display. Rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The C-Class has 28,342 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.